In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly add new content to your design. So, in this situation, perhaps you want a title between this image and button. You can see in the main content menu over here, we've got a wide range of options available to us. So let's add a new heading and let's put it nicely in between these two blocks. And as normal, you can click into it and replace it with your own text. But it goes a little further than that. You can add new content to the left or to the right of an existing block to split it into multiple columns. So let's have a look at this. So perhaps you want another column down the right hand side of it. Let's add an image, and we can see here we've got a vertical drop available, and that's now split that into two columns. Let's add a heading and also a button. And now it's just a case of styling it and adding our own content. So let's do that quickly. Let's put in an image. Next, we can replace it with a relevant text. And also update any buttons. So in this scenario, let's perhaps add a spacer block so we can just even out the spacing a little bit as these headings are different lengths. Okay, that looks great. And likewise, if you decide you no longer want some content, you can just mouse over it and delete. And you'll notice that now we've just got a button left in this column container with nothing else. So when we go to delete this, there we go, the builder will now say this is the last block in this column, so if you delete it, you're going to revert back to a single column. And you can see we've now lost our second column and we're back to how we started with one column. In addition to that, down here we have column containers. So column containers are if you want to use pre-built columns that you can just start adding your content to. For example, say we want a 2-column layout and we want it just here. And there we go, we've added a 2-column layout. It's just now a case of adding your content to it and styling it accordingly. Okay, that's a quick look at how to add new elements to your design.